this tutorial will discuss the creation of a bound book containing digital scrapbook layouts previously created. I recently completed all of the layouts for the wedding album on which I have been working. I used Snapfish.com for my printed and bound creation as they had a great coupon deal going at the time. I started by organizing all of my JPEG images here in my file. You'll notice that on all of the image titles, I've given them a number so that I can look at them and put them into order chronologically how I want them placed in my book. Next, I've located snapfish.com. And when you get here, they have so many options. First, I'm just going to go to photo books. Clicked on photo books, and here it shows you all of the different steps. They have all these sizes available. The one that we're interested in are the square, and I'm interested in the 12 by 12 square album. I can choose hardcover, lay flat, premium lay flat hardcover, or leather hardcover. I also could choose a matte cover as opposed to the glossy cover, and I could choose a 12 by 12 matte. I'm going to scroll on down and show you the page options. You could do a hardcover with normal semi-gloss pages. You could do a lay flat hardcover. This is a smaller, provides a smaller profile. However, you do have a visible seam in the center of your two pages. You also have an option of a premium lay flat hardcover. The pages have a seamless connection between the left and the right, and they're extra thick. Each of the pages is extra thick. While I would not want to do my yearbooks that just have my family layouts and memories in one of these options, for my wedding album, this is really what I want. It's going to provide a very nice, awesome, heirloom quality album for my wedding album. So let's scroll back up to the top, and I'm going to choose the 12 by 12 mat. I'm going to click on that, and it opens up into our design area. Inside the design area, we'll get to make some other choices. So here we have our matte hardcover book, 12 inches by 12 inches. And you can see that there is a coupon still at the time of this recording available. I'm going to go ahead and choose Design Your Own because we have created all of our layouts. They're going to be full page layouts for each of the book. We're going to go ahead and make this book. The book does start with 20 pages. I will need to add pages into my album as we move along. So we're going to get photos. This is very user friendly. You get to choose from your computer. I'm going to go ahead and create a new album. I'm going to select photos. And here they open up. I can click on the first one, hold my shift key and click on the last one. All of them will be uploaded. So all of my images are uploading to the Snapfish site. I will not make you wait through the entire process of creating the album, but I do want to show you what it would be like. As the last few of these JPEG images are finishing their uploading, I'd like to mention that I did use GIMP to create all of these layouts. I created them at 3600 by 3600 pixels, which is a 300 pixel per inch resolution, with making them very appropriate for printing into our album. I do have tutorials on these, how to create digital scrapbook layouts. Once all of the photos are uploaded, we can choose Done, and it will ask us about autofilling. And I'm just going to say I'm going to place mine manually because they're assuming that I might want to put more than one photo onto a page, which is not my intention. So you'll notice here, this is the front cover, and we have an option to add text here to the binding, and I can choose a title for my album, and I can also choose a color and a font. So I can choose whatever font and color that they have available that I would like. So I'll just choose that for now. You'll notice that here we are allowing, they have a design here on this, and I can highlight that and delete it. Now that we have a blank slate, let's go to our layouts. And you can see on the left that we have an option to fill the entire cover with one photo. Then we can go to our photos, scroll to our cover photo, drag and drop it into place. In our design area, you can see on the bottom center, you can go to page. If I click on that, it shows me all the pages I can go to, and I can go to the back cover. They already have an entire space here for one full photo, so I can drag and drop the back cover onto the back. So now let's take a look at another option we have. Across the top, you can go to all pages, and that will show you the 2-page spreads for all of the pages. Like I said, it starts with 20 pages. Your first page will be a single with an inside cover being blank, and your last layout will have an inside cover and it will be a single. That's a group of 2, and everyone else is a group of 2. When you add pages, you add them in groups of 2. So we're going to have a lot more than the 20 pages, but let me just show you how it would work. So I'm going to click on page 1. I'm going to go to layout, one photo, and choose the single photo. And I can do the same thing. Click on page 2, single photo. Page 3, single photo. I'm going to do this for all of the initial 20 pages, and then I can drag and drop. Let's go back to our photos, and I'm going to choose this is my first page, and our second and third page. And you can see that it's pretty simple, just dragging and dropping our images into our book. I would have my folder open on my other monitor just to help me know exactly what order I was going to put them in. And when I get to where I've used up my first 20 pages, then I'm going to need to add some pages so that I can add more. So all I would need to do is go to page options and add 2 pages. And 2 pages will appear here. Let's go ahead and add 2 pages. Add 2 pages. Now I'm going to need to show what kind of photo I want in that, what layout I want. This one belongs over here, so I can drag and drop it into place. So let's go ahead and fill in. I'm going to fill in the next few pages that we added here, and then I'm going to show you something else. This view is very nice for when we're just adding all of the different pages in. Um, then when you want to proofread it, let's go to spread and we'll get to see the 2-page spread. So I'm going to go to page 1. We'll start at the beginning. So here we have page 1, and click this arrow, the bottom right, and we're going to get to see page 2 and 3. And I'll see that it is giving us a red border around the edge, indicating that anything outside that border may not print. And you'll see that there's actually a binding showing here. So I'm thinking that we have the wrong pages, wrong type of pages in our book. So I'm going to click on book type, and we're going to choose premium lay flat hardcover. Switch, and now let's see what happens. Now our red border does not include a border in the center. So this is going to indicate they will print my 2 JPEGs as one and put that onto one. So our layout is a 2-page spread. Let's look at page 3 and 4. 4 and 5. This is page 4 and 5. You'll see the nice 2-page spread. And it gives you that border to show what might not print in your final book. Then I would just go through the review and buy process once I'm finished and I'm happy with the way all of my layouts look and my book looks, and send it off for printing, and they will ship it to me in a very timely manner. I ordered my book 2 days ago, and I received notice today that it has been shipped. Once I receive my final product, I'll record a video and share it with you guys. Many of the layouts contained in this wedding album have been featured in my weekly tutorials that can be found here on the Bean Designs YouTube channel. Also, I have provided GIMP templates for each of the weekly layouts that are available for free for download through the beandesigns.com website. While you're waiting for the video showing the finished product, check out my videos here on the Bean Designs YouTube channel. I look forward to sharing my album with you once it arrives. See you then.